Okay, this is Dr. Odom. I'm going to attempt to show you through the screen recording what I tried to describe in the forum and the announcement about how to post your paper for peer review. So this is going to be about initially how you post your paper, and then so you need to do that by the first deadline. So for section 2, that's Friday by 2. For section 1, that is Tuesday by 2:30. Okay, so here we go. We're on the start page, the announcement page. You're going to go to Groups, which I've just made that available to you. You haven't seen it before. Is it working? I can't tell. Okay, here we go. You may see both those sections, you may only see yours. So I'm just going to go into section 2. Okay, I think this is the part I forgot to write about. You go down to Group Discussion Board. These are instructions for posting and then reviewing the papers. You can read those, but I'm demonstrating that for you now. So here's the link for the document with the peer review questions on it. You can click that. I just tried to do it and then the recording stopped, so I'm not going to do it this time. Okay, so then this is the forum. Then you're going to click on the name of the forum, and you are going to create a thread. I have done that, and I've created this thread. This is a sample. So you can look at this to see what it'll look like, but I'm going to go back up to the forum to walk you through that part. Okay, so you create a thread. Okay, here are the instructions still up here for you. The subject is, this is a test, but you'll put your name and your theory. And then you can say something here like, I particularly want advice on my thesis statement or whatever. You have two options for attaching a file. You can either do this, that's what I mentioned, that's what I do when I insert files, but this is easier. Go to Browse My Computer. So look through your computer, attach it, and then it will be in this post. Okay, so I'm gonna submit that. Okay, so that's what you do to upload your paper. That's the first step. That's due by Friday for section 2 or Tuesday for section 1. So if you're the one reviewing, you at any point can go in here and go to this person's post. This should have a paper on it, and then you reply and say, I'm doing this one, or whatever, dibs, whatever. Then you just submit that to claim it. Okay, then you'll come back after you've done the peer review, and you'll reply again. You can reply here, you can reply to the original poster, it doesn't matter. Then you will use this tiny paperclip or the attach file function to attach the whatever document you have commented on. It may be their paper, it may be the peer review worksheet, it may be just a letter you've written to them, whatever. It doesn't matter, as long as they get your feedback about their paper. Okay, so I'm just going to cancel that. Hopefully that sheds some light on how you're supposed to do this. I'm really sorry. It was complicated when I first thought we were going to do it. Now it's complicated in a different way, but we'll get through it. Email me if you have questions.